Hi. So sometimes what will happen is because your volume is high or due to the WhatsApp API changing very constantly, your number might go in an offline status or it might get disconnected. So in order to solve that problem, we have introduced a very simple way to do an OTP verification where the OTP will come on this number and then the number will go back in the live status. So how do we do that? We simply, first of all, open Spur, head to settings, WhatsApp, click on the channel, and here itself you will get an option to debug the number if it's in disconnected or any other status in which we detect that your number is not working. All I will do is click here, I get a pop-up. Now ensure that this API number can get an OTP on SMS or voice. Right? So ensure the number has a plan, try sending an SMS to this number by yourself, see it can receive it, and then I will just hit this send verification code. So I hit send. Now the OTP is sent via SMS. Let's wait for the OTP to come. Then I'll enter the OTP here, hit verify code. Since this number is fixed, that's not an issue. And then finally I will hit try refreshing permissions. That's all I need to do and the number should be back live. That's it. Bye bye.